In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack into your HubSpot account. This integration is a great way to streamline your communication and bring your team collaboration tools into your HubSpot workflows. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the HubSpot website. If you're not already logged in, make sure you enter your credentials to access your account. Once inside, you're going to want to head over to the User Guide section in HubSpot. This is your go-to place for setting up integrations and learning more about how HubSpot can enhance your business processes. After you've accessed the user guide, the next step is to locate the settings. Think of the settings as the control center for your HubSpot account. This is where you can customize and adjust your preferences to suit your needs. Next, look for the option labeled Apps. This area of HubSpot is where you can explore various applications and integrations that HubSpot offers. Once you're there, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed. In that search bar, go ahead and type in Slack. This quick search will narrow down the options and bring Slack right to the top of the list. Once Slack has appeared in the search results, the next move is to click on it. This will bring up a detailed page all about the Slack integration, including how it works and what benefits it brings to your HubSpot experience. Now comes the exciting part, installing the Slack app. Within the Slack integration page you just opened, there will be an option that says Install App. When you click on this, the installation process begins. It's a seamless step that starts linking Slack with your HubSpot environment, allowing the two platforms to begin working together. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Slack with your HubSpot account, bringing all the collaborative power of Slack right into your HubSpot workspace. You can now enjoy more integrated and fluid communication with your team, keeping everything centralized and easily accessible right within HubSpot. If you run into any queries or need further assistance as you set up this integration, don't hesitate to consult HubSpot's support resources or reach out to their support team. They're always there to help ensure you get the most out of your HubSpot experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to optimize your business tools. Enjoy the newly enhanced connectivity between HubSpot and Slack, and see you next time.